today I'm going to show you how to do some maintenance on your PAS 225 split boom unit, which I use as my primary weed whacker and bladed edger. The primary part of this install is the UCAN Fuel System Kit 90127Y, which comes with a fuel filter, lines, the grommet, fuel cap gasket, and purge bulb. Additionally, I'll change the spark plug, put a new blade on the edger, and then lube it, as well as lube the string trimmer head. I also decided to change the air filter, even though I think it didn't need it. So this is what you get in that kit. You can see that all the fuel lines are there and the grommet. First thing I did change though was the fuel cap gasket. Just seat that in there. Nice and easy. No surprises here. Throw the old one away. Next I got to remove the old fuel lines, so you need a little hook here. I just took a little bit of picture hanger wire here and bent it. Was able to hook that out of there. Looks like the fuel filter was pretty clean too. I just cut it off to get it out of the way. You're going to find that when it comes to using hand tools, I have no skills and no training. I look like a monkey digging into a hamburger, I realize it. Take off the primer bulb, pretty simple there. Rip these tubes out, like that. And I cut that thing off. It's some sort of breather or something that hangs in the middle. You'll see when you change yours. But there are 3 lines. 2 are actually fuel and 1's a breather, or an outlet. And here's that grommet. Now you have to be careful here. You don't want to damage the plastic. And the grommet does not want to come out. It's been in there for a while. Just be patient with it. What I did is went ahead and tried to pull the lines here, you'll see. That didn't work. Ouch, that hurt, but got it out, no damage. Cleaned everything up with a little rubbing alcohol. There's the new fuel filter going in. Fits right down in there, real nice and easy. There you go. Now you got to remember where your lines went, but that's not too hard. Now here comes the grommet. Now the first thing you want to do to the grommet is you want to lube it. And trust me, that was not enough lube. Now I'm going to go ahead and speed this up for the sake of viewership and too much editing. But this literally took me a half an hour of finagling to get this 5 pounds of poop into this 2-pound bag. That's kind of what it felt like. Now when you read or see other videos of people doing this, they'll tell you to be careful about damaging that grommet. But I can tell you after fighting with this for 30 minutes, I wanted to damage that grommet. It's not easy to get in. And it took double, triple, quadruple lube. But I did finally get it seated. I'm going to tell you what, if I cussed on this channel, I would have used up all my F-bombs for the entire year. Just on this one stupid grommet. So there's an opening on the inside of the spindle, and you want to line that up and then jam a rod in there. And what that's going to do is it's going to hold the blade still while you're able then to break the nut free. Replace the blade, replace the nut, replace the cotter pin, and you're good to go. As far as greasing goes, you remove this nut on the side of the housing here. If you want, you can pay extra money for the actual Echo little grease gun tool and their grease, but I ended up just getting the steel grease, which is cheaper. And as long as you squeeze it in there hard and get it in, you're going to be just fine. When it came to the weed whacker head, I could not get the steel grease tube to align, so I went ahead and used some multi-purpose grease that I had, which is probably the wrong thing because this should be white lithium grease, so do what I say and not what I do. I hope you've enjoyed hanging out with me in the garage today. This is what I did on a rainy day here when I couldn't go out and mow. I did expensive maintenance that probably didn't need to be done. Next I'll be doing my blower, which does need to be done because it's quite a bit older. Either way, I hope this video has been helpful to you. Please subscribe to the channel, and as always, I'm Alan Hain, the Lawn Care Nut, and I'll see you in the lawn.